In the digital age, having a website is not just about aesthetics, it's about performance. You could have the most stunning website design, but if no one can find it, what's the point? So that's where SEO and web development intersect. Imagine SEO as the fuel that powers your beautiful website to reach its full potential. So, how do you ensure your web design is optimized for SEO success? Let's break it down step by step, focusing on practical things you can do to boost your visibility and attract more visitors. So, let's start with the question, what is SEO web design? Well, SEO web design means creating and developing a website that is search engine friendly. In simpler terms, it's designing your website in a way that makes it easy for search engines like Google to crawl, index, and rank it. See, every element, from the structure of your site to the code used, contributes to your overall SEO strategy. The goal is to create a website that does not just look good but also ranks well. Therefore, incorporating SEO into your web design ensures that when users type in relevant keywords, your site has a better chance of appearing on the first page of search results. And let's face it, most people don't scroll past the first page, do they? Now comes the next question. Why is SEO important for web design and development? Well, you might be wondering why bother with SEO when I can just promote my website through ads or social media. Well, while those are important, organic search traffic remains one of the most valuable sources of visitors. When your website is optimized for SEO, it ranks higher on search engines, which leads to increased visibility, more traffic, and potentially higher revenue. See, SEO is not just an afterthought. It needs to be built into the DNA of your website. When done right, it can have a long lasting impact on how people find your business. Additionally, the changes you make for SEO can also improve your user experience, therefore, making your site faster, easier to navigate, and more engaging. So, the question that will come to your mind is, what are the web design elements to optimize for SEO? Valid question, right? So, let's dive into the specifics of how you can make sure your website design is optimized for SEO. So let's start with a few key elements you should focus on. Number one is mobile responsiveness. Now, with more than half of internet traffic now coming from mobile devices, it's essential that your website works seamlessly across different screen sizes. A mobile friendly design ensures that visitors stay on your site longer, and search engines like Google prioritize websites which are responsive. So, test your site on various devices and ensure all the elements load quickly and correctly. Number two is site speed. See, slow loading websites are a huge turnoff, not only for visitors but also for search engines. So, Google uses site speed as one of its ranking factors, and a slow website can significantly hurt your SEO. So, compress your images, use browser coaching, and minimize your code to ensure fast loading times. Number three is technical SEO. Well, technical SEO is the backbone of a well optimized site. This includes everything from your URL structure to how easy it is for search engines to crawl your site. So, what should you do? Here are the things that you should focus on. Number one is XML sitemap. Now, this helps search engines understand the structure of your site and find all your pages easily. Then, robots.txt file. Now, this tells search engines which pages they should or should not crawl. Then HTTPS encryption. So make sure your site is secure as Google favors HTTPS over HTTP. See, a well optimized site from a technical standpoint will allow search engines to crawl your site more efficiently and rank it accordingly. Number four in our list is meta tags. Now, meta tags may sound complicated, but they are actually simple bits of HTML code that help search engines understand the content content of your web pages. The two most important meta tags are: number one is title tag. Now, this is what appears as a clickable headline on search engine result pages, SERPs. So, make sure your title tag is relevant, contains your main keyword, and is under 60 characters. Next is meta description. Now, this is the brief description that appears under your title tag on the SERP. Now, it does not directly affect your ranking, but a well written meta description can increase your click through rates. Remember to optimize each page's meta tags individually to reflect the content of that specific page. Number five is internal linking. See, internal linking refers to the practice of linking to other pages on your website from within your content. Now, this is crucial for SEO because it helps search engines understand the structure of your site and the importance of different pages. More internal links to a page can signal to a Google that the page is important and therefore boosting its ranking. See, additionally, internal linking keeps visitors on your site longer, which can also improve your search rankings. So be strategic, make sure your links are relevant, and add value to the reader. Number six is URL structure. So your URLs should be clean, simple, and contain relevant keywords. A well structured URL helps both users and search engines understand what the page is about. So avoid long, complicated URLs with random numbers or symbols. Instead, opt for something like www.example.com/SEO tips rather than page ID is equal to 123 and add a lot of complication to that URL. Also, make sure your URLs are consistent across your site and do not change unless absolutely necessary, as broken links can hurt your SEO. Number seven is alt text for images. See, search engines cannot see images the way humans do, so they rely on alt text to understand what an image is about. Therefore, when uploading images to your site, always include descriptive alt text that contains your target keywords. Now, this not only improves accessibility for users with disabilities, but also boosts your SEO by helping your images show up in Google image search. Number eight is structured data. Now, structured data is also known as schema markup, helps search engines understand your content better. Now, it's a form of code added to your site that gives search engines additional information, such as what type of content is on your page, whether it's an article, a product, or a recipe. So, implementing structured data can improve how your site appears in search results by adding rich snippets like star ratings, prices, and other details which can increase click through rates. Now we need to discuss about optimizing for user experience. See, it's not enough to optimize your site for search engines. It has to be user friendly too. So visitors should find your website easy to navigate, engaging, and fast. If your site delivers a poor user experience, they won't stick around, and high bounce rates can negatively affect your rankings. So focus on intuitive navigation, clear call to action, and a clean layout to make sure visitors enjoy using your site. Remember that while design is important, content remains one of the most crucial elements of SEO. So regularly updating your site with high quality, relevant content helps you rank for more keywords and engage your audience. Combine well structured design with excellent content, and you are on the road to SEO success. So that's it. Now you know how SEO and web development go hand in hand. Optimizing your web design for SEO is about more than just aesthetics. It's about building a website that performs well on search engines, attracts organic traffic, and keeps your users happy. If you want more tips on how to improve your digital marketing strategies, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. We will be bringing you more valuable insights that will help your business grow.